In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your saved passwords on Google on mobile. I'm using an iPhone, but you can use any device. So what you need to do is first open up a web browser, and it needs to be a web browser that you're logged into Google. So I'm using Google Chrome here. Now what you need to do is just head over to google.com. And for this to work, you need to be logged into your Google account. So you should then see your Google profile picture in the top right hand corner. Click on that and then go and click on manage your account. Once you've done that, you can then go and scroll to security, then scroll all the way down and you'll see here password manager near the bottom. Go ahead and click manage passwords. It will then ask you to log in. Then once you've done that, you'll be able to see all of your websites that you've got the password saved for. I'm going to click on a random one. You then need to just enter in your password and log into your account, and it will then give you the option to view that password. So I'm not going to show you that, but that's how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.